Add a tablespoon of maple syrup to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of warm water. Allow to sit for 30 minutes. Add 2 cups of whole wheat bread flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now we knead. Add some more flour if the dough is too sticky. Allow to proof and double in size for about an hour. Now we stretch our dough and shape it into the buns we're looking for. I'm using a cup as the mold for my buns. Oh, sweet buns. Allow them to proof for about another 30 minutes. Separate them slightly and put them in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees for about 7 minutes. Oh, sweet buns. You will have sweet buns for days. And these are very delicious. They're airy and spongy and just amazing. In a bowl, add 1 can of corn, 1 can of beans, and 1 can of refried beans. Mash and combine the mixture. Add 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk. Add 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Combine and shape to patties. Bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Then when you're ready, get your buns, onions, tomato, and lettuce, ketchup and mustard, and all the ingredients that you need for your hamburger, and then put them together. I have here some hemp ranch, and I'm gonna add that to my hamburgers. Give your burgers a good sear before serving, and maybe some salt and pepper. Maybe a few grilled onions. Top your bun on top and serve. And there you have it, friends, a delicious homemade veggie burger made from scratch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.